Number 5. Razer Huntsman. Faster than legacy mechanical switches, Razer optical switches use light-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 30% shorter actuation distance than other clicky switches at 1.5 mm, with satisfying, clicky feedback. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma, fully syncs with popular games. Razer hardware, Philips Hue and gear from 30+ partners, supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. HyperX Alloy Origins. HyperX mechanical switches rated for 80 million keystrokes. Full aircraft-grade aluminum body. Compact, portable design with detachable cable. Dazzling RGB lighting with dynamic effects. Advanced customization with HyperX Ingenuity software. 3 adjustable keyboard angles. Onboard memory for 3 profiles. Game mode, 100% anti-ghosting, and N-key rollover functionalities. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Logitech G Pro. Durable Roamer G switches deliver 25% faster actuation than standard mechanical switches, so every key press is nearly instantaneous from fingers to screen. Durability, 70 million key presses. Ultra-portable, sleek and compact design frees up table space for mouse movement and is easy to pack and transport to tournaments. Rock-solid reliability. Comes with 3-step angle adjustment and rubber feet for adequate stability. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex Pro. Omnipoint adjustable switches allow for customization of actuation distance from 0.4 mm to 3.6 mm. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy built for a lifetime of durability and stability. Provides full palm support and comfortable, ergonomic feel. OLED smart display, an integrated command center for adjusting settings and tracking on-the-fly info straight from your game, Spotify, Discord, and more. RGB illumination, unmatched customization with 16.8 million colors per key. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro and lighting playback. Allow access up to 3 stored profiles on the go, independent of external software. 100% Cherry MX Speed RGB mechanical key switches. Dynamic multicolor per key backlighting with light edge, adjust each key's color and illumination level in addition to 19 zones on the top edge light bar for sophisticated and dramatic animations. 6 programmable G keys for in-game macros. Please check the description for details and best price.